Your head back for me.
Murph Squad's new ride, baby!
Welcome to my life, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, on the bright side, yeah, hey. Yeah, one leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking am I rich, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Seeing more behind the frame, future bright but feel the shade. Thinking ain't nobody feel the way I do, but someone gotta feel the same, yeah. On the bright side, yeah, this music here became my only lifeline. Think I'm going crazy, I'm not in my right mind, yeah. Welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, yeah.
We have made a quick trip down to good old Venice, Florida. Not just to hang out and see friends, which we did do that, but Collin is about to get his braces off. How long's it been, Collin? 1.5 years with braces. Let's see them one last time. Grin it, let's see. Let's get the close-up. Hold tight.
Garbage,
my brother's saying looks like garbage. All right, so 1.5 years?
Mm-hmm.
And how's it been?
I don't like them.
You didn't like them?
Oh, there's food getting stuck in my mouth.
But they didn't really hurt. They weren't a discomfort, just more or less the inconvenience of having food stuck in your teeth.
Sometimes they hurt. When I had to put the band on, the bands that I put in at night, you know?
Well, maybe a little discomfort, but well worth it, right? Yes, well worth it, of course. So we're gonna get the braces off. We're gonna try to film a little bit. Not sure how much we'll get of it. We're gonna try to get some of that, and then we come back a little later to get retainers in. So guys, thanks if you followed along on his journey of getting the braces, and maybe you have braces, maybe you're gonna get braces. Hopefully this video informs you a little bit, puts you a little bit at ease. It's really no big deal, and it makes your smile a whole lot better. All right, let's go inside and get them off.
Alright, then open again, a little glue on there. So we're going to start taking some of that glue off, okay?
That's so strong, mouth off. Everything you're feeling right now is just glue.
How's it feel?
Weird.
Then we have some popcorn for you. This is free now, okay?
Just the glue.
And everything you hear is just glue.
Nothing should hurt, but if it does, you just let me know. Some people have sensitive. Your head back for me.
Did you swallow some of it? No. Tastes bad.
No, it's right in my...
Yeah, good. Stick to it, surgery. Yeah. You put it back there somewhere. And go ahead and pull your lips again. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can just rub it on this guy. And there'll be some more on the bottom too, okay?
Tastes that good.
Sorry. Yes. Mine is a face one, that's why.
Oh, it's bleeding a bit.
Yeah, let's see that smile. You got some goodies?
Yeah. And I got it.
Let's see.
We're gonna use this as a template to make those retainers. So instead of taking those molds, it makes like a visual impression, kind of. It's pretty cool. You'll see it all pop up on the screen.
This makes a 3D mold, so the 3D printer prints it out.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Open real big. Yeah. Open real big. We'll turn that bottom left, and you'll see everything pop up on that screen over there. Open real big. You okay with everything I'm doing so far?
Actually,
How new is this?
you'll do the tie
Oh, it's pretty new. We've had it in the office for like a few months now. Yeah. I think that's about it. And then I'll see if I missed anything. So like that little spot, I'll just go over it again. Alright, first one, just like that, nice big smile.
The next appointment you have, we're going to be in the back.
So for that lower retainer, you can wear that one every other night. But for the upper retainer, that one's going to be every night since we don't have permanent on there.
Yes.
And to fall apart, it's kind of easy. The upper has a lot more material over here, while the lower doesn't. It might be a little snug at first, but the more you wear these, they'll start passively coming off and on a little easier.
He hates it when I
And then on the bottom.
Because if I don't feel comfortable, like say, if I'm like from...
And take them out, you just get your fingers near the gum line. And just push up. And that's it.
Until I feel comfortable.
Right, oh yeah, me too.
And then I was like, you could.
Nice, already a pro.
I don't feel comfortable.
So we finished up with Collin's braces, got his retainer, and now we have a little bit of time, so I have Micah, and I'm not sure if Gavin's gonna do it. He's kind of complaining about his legs. Got my boy Harrison here. Micah got to go hang out at the high school, met up with Harrison. He'd been missing his boy, and now we're out with Vance. A little shout out to Vance Performance. Gonna get some speed training in while we're down here in South Florida. So Mike and Harrison at least. I don't know who else is gonna be here. So let's get some speed work in. Make the most of this trip.
Remember the switch is simultaneous. Yes. Pause longer, pause longer. Nice and pause. Nice and long, but 1/1000 count. There you go. Good. Good, man. That's it. That's good. That's good, man. Good. Pick up the pace a little, Ryan. Pick up the pace a little, Ryan. Not bad, boys. You been practicing?
Hey, babe.
Actually, no. I've been stretching a bit, though.
There you go. Get it going, get it going. Hit.
Now what you clowns doing over here?
What are you doing over here, Jet? You're talking to the unofficial mayor of Venice over here.
Toe the line, boys.
You are racing to the red. It's not going to be easy. 75% of your body weight. Go. All right, we'll go one at a time. That was a little...
No, run it back one more time.
Get it going and then turn it on for 10. It's heavy, so you got to get it going. Mike, I need you more aggressive with that, man. You got to get there.
75% body weight. Let's go, Mr. 150.
You've got to hit it as hard as you possibly can for that 10 yards, and then you get full recovery. Let's go. Hit it. Push. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. I'll show you in slow motion. You're going to jump, turn, jump back, stick. So 2 jumps, rotate into a jump, and come back the direction you were at.
Wait, 2 normal jumps?
So it's like jump, rotate, back, stick. Give yourself 30 seconds, do the other side. 30 seconds, 2 sets each side.
Okay.
You said how much weight?
Freeze, Gavin.
So jump, rotate, and back. Nice, very nice.
There you go.
Transition's awkward.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, no.
And he'll be the best receiver.
You look so awkward, dude.
Hit it hard, and then just nice and easy. When you get back to that cone, boom, right back out. Good, nice and easy. Hit it again.
Oh, shoot, I couldn't see the cone.
Right that outside foot, right that outside foot.
Ready? Hit it. And hit it again. Don't walk, try to jump, side, jump.
Fred, then you can just kind of walk that back.
We're wrapping up our time in Venice. It's been good. The boys got to see some friends. Collin's got a new smile. Yee! So on our way back to Alabama, we're gonna stop off and see our good buddy Mack, Uncle Mack. Although it's kind of raining, kind of bummed because we were hoping to play around in his little obstacle course yard, but we shall see. We're about to get there, so we'll see Mack and see what we can get into. And there he is now, Mr. Mack Roesch. Yeah. Always working out. Brother Mack! Long time no see, bud.
Needles. Good to see you. I was wearing my beanie earlier. It's getting chilly today.
All right, some of Mack's training. Let's see what we got.
Oh my gosh.
It's like, it feels front heavy.
You can walk with it. That's why it's built like that. You can shrug with it, your shoulder. Yeah.
It feels front heavy.
Man, you got strong.
He got big, didn't he, man? What do we see in the barn over here? Gonna walk over and check out Mack's training. What do we call this, Mack? Do you have like a nickname for it, like the Rock Hat? Woo, woo, woo. Forget the home gym, we got the vet. Woo! Murph Squad's getting a vet. Oh!
Watch your fingers.
Dude, that is awesome. It lays back down, I'm guessing? Yep. Oh.
Murph Squad's new ride, baby!
Alright, blast the music.
I don't even know where the volume is.
All the way.
Go all the way.
Oh, nice.
Dude, that's awesome. The most.
Unfortunately, the rain kept us from being able to take the vet out for a true test drive, but we'll have to do that another time. Always great getting to see my buddy Mack. Great trip to Venice, productive trip. So anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. We'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave us a comment.
Welcome to my life, yeah. Welcome to my life, yeah.